Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the power heated, power folding mirror with puddle light and turn signal in texture black for the passenger side of the 2019 and newer Ram 1500s. If you're looking to upgrade your mirrors with a modern convenience and safety features, this is a perfect replacement option. This mirror is going to combine several useful features into one slick package. It offers full power adjustment, allowing you to fine-tune the mirror position right from inside the truck, and the heated element is designed to quickly clear frost, ice, and fog, improving visibility in cold or wet conditions. The power folding function lets you fold that mirror inwards with just the push of a button or automatically when locking the truck, which helps prevent damage in tight parking spots or narrow trails. Also, the integrated turn signal adds visibility to the other drivers, enhancing safety when you're turning or changing lanes. Another great feature on this mirror is the built-in puddle light, which illuminates the ground below the door area for better visibility when you're entering and exiting the vehicle at night. Constructed with very durable materials, this mirror is built to withstand harsh weather and daily wear. The housing is finished with this nice textured black finish that matches the factory style, providing a seamless appearance for your Ram 1500. The mirror glass is going to be clear and distortion free, ensuring a reliable view of your surroundings. It's got the big section for the rear, and it also has the nice convex corner for hitting that blind spot and keeping you safe out there on the roads. As far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that upper $200 price range. This mirror is a premium replacement part, and the added convenience and safety features make it come in at a very reasonable price point. The install is a simple plug and play, rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in 1 hour or less of your time. Overall, it's a pretty simple install process since it's a direct fit replacement, but let's see exactly how that install process goes with an install video from one of our American Trucks customers.
Needle nose pliers, a socket that's got a T20 in it, a 10 millimeter with a small extension and a ratchet, a larger and a smaller screwdriver, and then I use the impact, but you can do it all with the ratchet and socket if you want. That's pretty much all there is to it. If you look behind your door latch, there's a little piece right here. You'll see this hole. You got to pull that out. You've got another one that's right down here, but if you'll notice it's on top. You have to pull this out. They will have 9 or 10 millimeter bolts behind it. Use your handle out of the way. Rotate it up slightly and just kind of pry out on it, and it will slowly work itself out. I'm just using the pick to kind of work my way around it, because there's a little clamp right here at the back side that you got to watch out for so you don't mess up. There, we're all out. This little clip here is the one that was holding stuff together. There you've got a 10 millimeter bolt. Do the same down here. Just kind of get in around it, kind of pry it out. That one doesn't have the big clip. I'm using an impact to pull them. I will not use an impact to put them back in, because you don't want to put too much pressure on these or you'll wind up stripping them. They strip very easily. Now I'm going to pop out the plug. If you look right here, you got the little tab you push back, and that will let it slide right out, and that gets your plug out of the way. You should just kind of, there we go. Takes a little bit of something. You work your way around it. A little bigger screwdriver, and that clip stuck right here. Not wanting to release. There, we got it. Lift it up. The one right there in that top corner that's stop. There we go. That gets out of the way. Now you see where your door handle is. What you're going to have to do with it, simply grab these two pieces, and you can use pliers. Needle nose would probably be the simplest thing to use. Now I got a set of needle nose. Support it up a little bit, their top and bottom. Squeeze them down, and it should slide right out. Bring it up, lift it up, that disconnects your latch. Your door is now free. Here you've got a couple of push pins that are holding in here and here. I'll use a set of screwdrivers. Work them out so far, and you can always take your needle nose, work it out. And this is going to slippery slide back out of your way. It's going to run all the way up and over. You got another push pin there if you want to pull it off. I'm just going to let it kind of hang out of the way. You got two more 10mm bolts. They're just nuts that simply come off. And if you'll notice, right here you've got a clip that's holding that mirror in place. But now you've got to track your wiring down, and it's going to run all the way down, around, and it's going to plug in here. And what you need to do, this is a simple, right here you see the little tabs. Push that little tab in, and it will slide out. Now what you got to dearly remember is how they came out. You know, my mind says out of 2 and 3, because I count from the bottom, it has nothing in it, black and white on top. Now we're just going to simply pop it loose as we go around it. And that's got all that loose. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take the needle nose, we're going to squeeze this clamp, remove it. They're 10 mils as well. Now you can see it falling away. Now it just simply guides your wire out. And ta-da! You can tell the mirror's messed up. The outside of it's messed up, but I got a full replacement. So this one, if you'll notice, is slightly different. It's got checker pattern on it. They did send me the other side. This piece right here comes off, and it gives me the checker pattern to go on the driver's side so they'll match. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to untape the wire. You want to be sure that this has the insulation on it. You get back through the hole. Get it lined up. Take one bolt. That's just so it don't fall. I'll take one nut. Now we're held in place. I'll run it up to where they're kind of tight. And then we'll start putting our wire back down. Like I said, we're going to start from the bottom. It was black, then white. Put the other bolt in. Put the other nut on. We want to be sure that we're kind of somewhat levelly put in there. Use the impact to put stuff back because it torques it too much and you can wind up stripping some stuff out really easy with these. I'll do that one and I'm gonna go to this bottom. That way it's getting pulled in evenly. Let me double check that top laid up in there the way it needs to. All right, yeah, it all looks like it's even. Come back. Move over to this bottom. We'll run this one in. And they don't have to be super tight. Just snug them up good. Like I said, that's the reason you don't want to use an impact, because you can strip these really simply. You can put your clip back on your keeper. That way it's all kept good. There you are. Now we're just going to go. Oh, shouldn't have let that hang. We're going to put this trim work back in. Then we're going to lean it up. Put that in. Just pull it back, let it go in. And then just simply here, you'll hear it snap. I line my hose up on the bottom. This is a little bit of a booger to get sometimes, trying to get it back in the hole, because it doesn't want to bend exactly right. And you kind of lift it and push it up and over, and it'll slide back up over its keep. Line up, and you just kind of snap it back together. Just got it all snapped back into place. Your handle's working. Put your bolts back in. Now, I don't get quick about tightening these up because we still have to get our wire back up for a window control. It's not hard. You just reach down in here and grab it, and it normally just slides right back up to you. There it is. And you'll see they're shaped the way they're supposed to go. They just simply snap back in place. Take your plug in, snap it back in, make sure it's correctly oriented, and ta-da! We're done.
All right, that's gonna wrap up my review and install of the power heated, power folding mirror with puddle light and turn signal in texture black for the passenger side of the 2019 and newer Ram 1500. And for all things Ram, keep it right here at American Trucks.